Glottal fricative, huh. Huh is quite easy to recognize for most non-native speakers. An exception might be French speakers, since the letter H is always silent in French. In Britain, using or not using the huh sound can signify class and status, posher speakers versus H droppers. But in American English, unless H is silent, H is always pronounced. The sound huh is spelt with an H or WH. With WH, either W or H is pronounced, but not both. When H is combined with other letters like TH, SH, CH, PH, GH, and RH, they make entirely different sounds. TH makes th or the. SH makes sh. CH makes ch. PH makes f, except for shepherd, where PH makes p. GH can be either silent or make f, g, or p. H is silent in RH. These words have silent H. What, which, where, when, why, honor, hour, honest, air, herb, vehicle, vehement, exhausting, exhilarating. This is the minimal pairs of huh and non-huh. Had, add, hair, air, haul, all, harm, arm, heart, art, heat, eat, hedge, edge, heel, eel, hate, ate, high, eye, hill, ill, hold, old, his, is. Fa, ha, minimal pairs. Fa and ha are voiceless fricatives. They differ in the way air escapes from the mouth. For the fa sound, air escapes between top teeth and bottom lips. For ha, air escapes from the glottis. Fat, hat. Fair, hair. Fall, haul. Feel, heel. Fee, he. Feet, heat. Fail, hail. Farm, harm. Five, hive. Force, horse. Fair, hair. Feed, heed. Fell, hell. Fence, hence. Few, hue. Foal, hole. Foam, home. Fog, hog. Furl, hurl. Phase, haze. H dropping in connected speech. Initial h is dropped, not pronounced, from function words in certain situations. Examples of H function words are forms of the have verb, have, has, had, and pronouns that begin with H, he, his, him, her. The situation that allows the H dropping is when these words are in the middle of a sentence and unstressed. If they are stressed, for example, for emphasis or contrast, or if they begin a sentence, the H is not dropped. So for instance, the H in he's okay or have they done it is pronounced, but the H in is he okay or John has done it is not pronounced. Initial h is only dropped when the word is unstressed in the sentence. So in addition to dropping the h, the vowel often becomes as we learned in the chapter on vowels. The remaining sound is as follows: have, of, has, us, he, e, his, is, or us. His, is, or us. Him, im, or em. Her, Once the H is dropped, we need to connect the remaining vowel with the consonant sound that comes before it. By connecting them, the two words sound like one word. These are examples where H is dropped. The H pronouns. Tell him, tell her. Give him, give her. Was he, is he. The have verb. John has done it. She has done it. I should have worked. I would have done that. The D in would becomes a flap T. The IPA symbol for the flap T is R. These sentences can be even more shortened through contraction where the vowels of function words are also dropped. John's done it. She's seen it. I'd have worked. I'd have done that. In the most rapid speech, common in American English, the final consonant of the function word may also be dropped. I'd have worked. I'd have done that.